Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney. And in today's video, we are going to learn how you can easily invest in ETF using RMoney Tradion App and start building long-term wealth in a smart way. So let's begin. Once you open the RMoney Tradion app, go to the investment section and tap on ETF option. Now you will find a wide range of ETFs based on indices, equities, and other categories. For example, if you want to buy Nifty Bees, tap on it and then click on buy. An order window will be open. Here you have to enter the quantity you want to buy. If you want to buy at the current market price, keep the order type as market, and if you want to buy at a specific price, you can also put the limit by simply clicking on this toggle option. But for now, we'll keep it as market. And next, under the product type, select CNC if you want to buy the ETF for delivery or long-term investment. Now simply swipe on the buy order option, and as you can see that your ETF order has been successfully placed. Alright, that's it for today. If you have any doubts, comment down below. Until then, happy trading.